Hi, that is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your account and tap on these three dots on the right upper corner. Then confirm your action by click to remove account button. Are you sure? Okay. If you use some protect methods, just enter them. Now we just successfully log out from the Google application, from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we successfully log out from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.